Hi Tom, I'll quickly give you a demo of CodeAnt AI. Today we are getting used 12 times a day, and this demo will actually tell you why. So anyone using VS Code will come here and install our extension of CodeAnt AI, and he is good to get started. The moment he installs it and opens any Python file, he'll be able to see these kind of buttons: review, optimize, modularity, scalability, docstring, type hint, unit test, code smells, which is actually static code analysis. Let's pick one. I'll click on scalability. It'll open in split second a window saying that, okay, we detected a get call, which is correct. It tells you that you can add a retry with exponential logic to make sure that the function is resilience. It actually can save your production incidents. This just basic retry. You can just copy it and just paste it here, and it's good to go. It also explains everything what we are doing, and you can also like it if you like the explanation. Let's move ahead. Let's say that this is a very big function. Understanding it will take a huge amount of time, and you are in a production incident. You can just come and click on generate docstring. In less than 3 to 4 seconds, you'll get the entire logic, processing logic of this function in front of you. So it tells you that it's a get call for alert rules, what are the arguments, returns, and the entire processing logic. Once you have read this, it's very easy to understand this entire piece of code. Let's say that, let's come back to the previous section. This is a piece of code, and I want to add unit test to this. Let's just click on this unit test button. It will scan this piece of code and add a very tailor-made test cases for this. It will also tell you the places where your code will fail, which is your edge cases. These are very useful for developers who are writing it. So you can generate multiple kind of test cases, success, failure, etc. Plus it tells you what will happen if a zone name is empty, and you can check all the edge cases here. Let's come to the main function, which is optimize. You have written a piece of code and you're not sure how performant this piece of code is, how well it is, and you want to fix it then and there. And it's very obvious that every time a code is written, you have to do it. You can just come and click on this optimize button. It'll scan the entire file and tell you. If you have written a bad nesting of code, you can just convert in a single click. If you have written a matrix multiplication, it'll just revert it and change it to an inbuilt library of Python. Similarly, we do 490 odd fixing today. If you don't like any of the fixing, you can come and just click on this button, it'll revert it. If you like everything, you can just come and accept it. We have made product in such a manner that we always cater to the entire section of developers. Right now we are targeting Python, and we have catered almost everything which these people can find issues with. And we have catered very specific Python things also. Let's say type hinting. Python is a dynamically typed language. It always gets errors in type hints. And generally developer miss. It's the most common cause of production incident in Python. In a single click, it analyzes the code and tell you the zone is a string, URL is a string, payload is a dictionary. You can come here and apply diff, and it will automatically apply the same over here. This is our product. Hope you like it. Thank you.